So this is probably really weird for you guys, seeing me in a whole different area, a whole different shop. It's almost like I'm at my job. We're hanging out here at work. I'm on my lunch break and I'm actually working on some of the intercooling piping as we speak. I guess I'll just show you guys around really quick, just show you my little workstation. Hold up. There's my little goodies, my little bench here. There's the synchro wave that I use here at work. Here's my little friend. I've been practicing my aluminum, lots of aluminum practice, over and over and over and over. More of it over here. And then the bash bar, she's here. We're gonna repair this. As you see, that's seen better days. At least my weld's held up. And then what I'm doing over here on the 240 is reworking all of my intercooling piping. So this is the side that was crushed. I got some new piping on there. I'm about to tack that up and then weld that down. And then I'm going to be using, this is the old pipe that was crushed. I cut the head off of it. It's laying around here somewhere. I think it's on my table over there. But I cut the head off of that one. As you can see, it's a nice clean cut down there. I'm probably gonna cut it up a little bit higher. That way it has a more of a, you know, straight angle to the pipe itself, because as you can see, it's got a small little bend to it. And then I'm probably gonna cut this pipe and weld these two together and just make two new intercooling pipe, and that way it's clean and it looks better than it ever has. And I'd like to fix this portion over here, but I'm not gonna mess with it unless I ever damage it or something, because this works good. And this is actually a legitimate Gretty pipe kit, and then this is an HKS sequential. So there's some money right here in that. I mean, I don't think this is worth too much, but it's cool to have nice, cool, Gretty parts. But anyways, that's the game plan for this. I only have like 30 more minutes, not even. So I'm gonna jump right on this, and I'll probably film me welding that pipe, and then maybe that one, I don't know. I just gotta kind of hurry up, but I wanted to film and not leave you guys hanging on what was going on, and just somehow magically my car gets fixed up without showing you what's going on. Because I actually found some footage. Since I got a new computer, I was able to plug my external hard drive in, and I found all my dry ice footage where I pulled up all the sound deadening out of the car. And then there was one other set of footage that I found, something that I did to the car that I didn't even show you guys. So yeah, I don't want to get too ahead of myself with this. So let me jump on this guy, start welding this thing up, and we'll move over to the next side. They are not the prettiest welds whatsoever, including that right there. I blew a hole in it. But hey, little by little. So I'm eating into my lunch break here, and I've got to get back on the clock. So here's the second pipe. I just wanted to show you guys. It's all welded up. It's not the prettiest, but penetrates, does the job. I'm slowly working on trying to get my dimes and such a little bit better, but it is nice to weld my own intercooling / aluminum piping in general, just anything like that. So I'm gonna get this back on the car, and then I'll start it up and then show you guys the finished product. All right, new piping section is all in there. Just rerouted it just a little bit better than it was before. That way there's no stress on the turbo inlet there, and then the actual intake on the throttle body. So I've sadly got to get back to work, so I will check in with you guys after I get out of here around 6 o'clock. I totally forgot to film yesterday after work to update you guys on the car. She's running awesome. There's no boost leaks. I haven't had any issues with the intercooling pipe. I just want to show you guys real quick before I wrap up this video. I know it was kind of short and sweet. I just wanted to update you guys with everything. I'm actually heading up to Uwharrie National Forest today with Talon. We're going to be heading up there and doing a little off-roading in his taco. So I wanted to get a video up for you guys just so you can get an update on the car. I'm going to be picking up some urethane motor mounts, and then seeing about this transmission mount, see if it's salvageable. If it's not salvageable, I'll pick up a urethane trans mount to go with the matching set of engine mounts. So that's the game plan for that. Next week, you guys are going to see an upload of some wheeling at Uwharrie. If you guys aren't interested in that, you can just wait on to the next 240 video. But those of you who do follow all my wheeling stuff, that video will be up sometime, hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday. You guys will see all this footage that we're about to go film up for you guys, get some drone footage, and enjoy the weekend. So let me show you the car real quick, and then we'll wrap this video up. So I was able to spend a little time fixing up my catch can. So I knocked that out. I just welded up a new brace mount for it right there because it actually cracked one of the welds when we popped into that curb. And then I've got the new intercooler pipe all welded up. Everything is set up in there. My welds are holding up so far. Go turn the electric fan on real quick. And the other set that we did. It looks much better than it did before. I still have to paint this area, but just the routing of the tubing, and I no longer have that weird PVC like hose, whatever you want to call it, that's supposed to come off the intake manifold to the air box. Put that down there and then welded that shut. So that is about that for the car, guys. I just wanted to update you guys on that, let you guys know what was going on with her before I just uploaded a random video of me hanging out in North Carolina. Next week, May 18th, is a Super Saturday event at OSW. I am most likely gonna try to get down there. I've got a set of tires. I wanna get the new urethane engine mounts like I talked about earlier, get those things in there, and I think the car will be good to go. The clutch worries me just a little bit, but I'm just gonna get some seat time in there. I have a spare clutch that I picked up that's laying in the garage that will work with a CA if anything does go wrong. And then on top of that, I will probably just end up ordering another clutch here soon. I really wanna get an Exetti, but that's besides the point. We're gonna go shred some tires next weekend, May 18th, and then the video that you guys will see sometime next week, well, I guess you'll be seeing this next Monday or Tuesday, so maybe the Uwharrie video will be Wednesday and Thursday. I don't know, you guys will see all the video, but hey, thank you guys. I appreciate you watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Later.